Skirmish is our tactical strategy game, which can be played with any gaming miniatures. Here we'll be going through how to get your set ready.
Skirmish is made to be downloaded and printed at home.
A printing press is a mechanical device that applies pressure to an inked surface to transfer ink onto a print medium, like paper or cloth.
The introduction of the low-cost laser printer in 1984 sparked a revolution in printing known as desktop publishing.
Desktop publishing, in turn, led to the creation of printers with tubes running to the print heads, supplying them with a continuous flow of ink from tanks which could be easily refilled using ink bottles.
These supertanker printers are an example of the move towards more sustainable product design.
Skirmish doesn't directly require shipping, nor production of plastic overseas.
The sustainable use of nature's resources is important to us, and we believe in the sentiment to do what we can with what we've got.
So we say, print at home.
Or at your local printer.
Pull out your scissors and cut out the ruler, burst tokens, and other game pieces.
The earliest known scissors appeared in Mesopotamia 3,000 to 4,000 years ago.
A pair of scissors consists of two pivoted blades.
Shapes and scissors are usually not particularly sharp.
And the tips of the blades are often blunted or rounded for safety.
In high-quality scissors, the blades can be both extremely sharp and tension-sprung to increase the cutting and shearing tension along the exact point where the blades meet.
The hand movement, pushing with the thumb and pulling with the fingers, can add to this tension.
Scissors are generally better than knives for their ability to make precise, controlled, safe cuts.
Mechanically, scissors are a first-class double lever with the pivot acting as the fulcrum.
For cutting thick or heavy material, the mechanical advantage of the lever can be exploited by placing the material to be cut as close to the fulcrum as possible.
Once you have your set, you can use your own miniatures, pick up a set of skirmishers from one of our artists, or use any 2-inch toys you already have.
Happy skirmishing!
Learn more about playing Skirmish in How to Play Skirmish.